Ever noticed how people only hit you up when they want something? Yeah, Vicky knew that vibe all too well. He was that dude everyone called. Hey bro, can you fix my fence? Yo, help me haul this hay real quick. And every single time Vicky showed up. But when his own crop got totally wrecked in the rain, guess what? Nobody pulled up. Not a single soul. That night his mom looked at him and said, "You saved everyone's harvest, but not your own, damn." That line hit deep. Later, an old wise dude told him, "Bro, even kindness without limits turns into self-destruction." So for the first time ever, Vicky started saying, nah. At first it felt weird, kinda lonely too, but soon peace kicked in and burnout dipped out. His fields went green again, his smile came back, and people actually started respecting him. Not because he was everyone's go-to guy, but because he finally learned to respect himself. Remember, saying no doesn't make you selfish. It just means you're done with the drama and finally choosing peace over pressure.